What's up, folks? Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections. I'm doing a new construction home inspection today, and I thought I'd take you along for the ride to see some of the things that I find on some of these new construction houses. So come with me and take a look. One of the first things I came across on this home inspection was this gap at the bottom of the front door. You can see all this daylight coming through. Definitely need some weather stripping in this area. This is going to cause insect intrusion as well as energy loss. The next thing has to do with this handrail for this stairway. You can see if you look underneath here how the handrail is attached to the mounts. It has this strap with 2 screws, and you can see this one is attached properly. However, if we move up a little bit here, you can see that this one here is not attached at all. And furthermore, neither is the one above it. This next one is pretty interesting. If we go outside the front door, we can see a plumbing pipe running through the grade beam of the foundation here. And if you look closely, this is actually not a plumbing pipe. This is a sleeve around the main water supply line. But this area, they get the form boards close and not enough concrete gets in between these areas. This should be filled in to prevent insect intrusion for sure. Next, I want to show you these butt joints on the fiber cement board siding. You can see here that they just left these open with no sealants or anything. Per manufacturer's installation instructions, there is supposed to be either sealant over these joints, or what is preferred is to backflash them with a piece of flashing. But there is even one of them that they left open a little bit that I can pull apart, and you can see that there is definitely no flashing behind there. This one's actually loose and needs to be resecured. Next, we have a plumbing clean out that is here on the siding. You can see they did a really bad job of cutting the hole, but also this clean out should extend past the siding so it can remain accessible in case it ever needs to get cleaned out. Now, more on the manufacturer's installation instructions. When it comes to this siding, we should have, where it is above brick here, we should have metal flashing. As you can tell, they just slapped the siding on top of the brick and they sealed it up with some caulking, but that does not meet the manufacturer's specifications for this product. And once again, we have more siding joints that were just left open and untreated on the other side of the house. This problem just kind of keeps going and keeps going. Next, I checked the water pressure on this hose bib, and you can see water spraying everywhere. My first thought on this is that the anti-siphon device has malfunctioned, but I want to make sure that it's not my tester or something like that, so I grabbed a hose that was nearby and hooked it up, and then when I turned on the water, it was behaving the exact same way, so we can determine that it is the anti-siphon device that is malfunctioning, just a really cheap little part that just needs to be replaced. Once I got up on the roof, guess what I found? More siding issues. These 2 pieces right here look like they haven't even been painted, but furthermore, they're poorly secured and they're making contact with the roofing material, which once again is against manufacturer's installation. Thanks for watching, and if you like this content and want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I'm always trying to grow this channel and would love to have you around.